Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, imagine having a regular photo, a selfie, a product photo, or even an old photo from a memory. Then, in less than 1 minute, that photo can move into a smooth and cool video. Crazy, right? And best of all the tools I'm sharing today are free and super easy. No hassle like other tutorials that require Discord or coding. In this video, I'll share the 3 best AI tools that can turn your photos into videos in seconds. And I've tested them all, one by one, so they're guaranteed to work. From the most professional to the easiest, we've got it all. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell, because every week I upload a new AI tutorial that will be incredibly useful for content creators like you. Okay, let's get straight to it. Before we get into the tutorial, let me explain it simply. What exactly is image-to-video AI? So, guys, image-to-video AI is an artificial intelligence technology that can transform still photos into naturally moving videos. The AI uses machine learning technology trained on millions of videos, so it understands how objects move, how light changes, and how to create smooth transitions. The results can vary. There are zooms, pans, 3D effects, and some can even create dramatic movements like in movies. And best of all, you no longer need to bother shooting videos with expensive cameras, stabilizers, or videography skills. Just take one great photo, and AI will do the rest. That's why so many content creators, brands, and even filmmakers are starting to use this technology. It saves time, money, and the results are amazing. Now, let's get straight to it. Let's start with the most powerful one first. 1. Runway ML. The first tool is Runway. This is a professional tool widely used by top-class filmmakers and content creators. First, open runway.ml in your browser. Then click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can register using your email or log in directly with Google. I recommend using Google for speed. Just one click and you're signed in. Now, for a free account, Runway gives you 125 credits, enough to make a few test videos. Okay, before I continue, I'll ask for help creating the prompt, but I'll be using Kling AI, not ChatGPT. Okay, I opened Kling AI, then uploaded the photo I wanted to create a prompt. Then I asked Claude, make me a prompt from the photo I uploaded to generate a video. I want the character in my photo to move their hand to their head as if they're sad or frustrated. Okay, back to Runway. Click the Tools menu on the side. There are 2 options, Image and Video. Click on the Video section. After that, upload the photo you prepared earlier. The interface is very simple. There's an upload box in the middle. You can drag and drop photos, or click to browse for files. I'm using this portrait photo as an example. Notice how clear the photo is. The lighting is good, and the focus is sharp. That's important. This box is where you save the prompt. There are also other settings, such as the video ratio, the AI model you want to use, and the video duration, which can be set to 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, I'll just set the default settings for now, the Gen 4 Turbo model and a duration of 5 seconds. Then, copy the prompt you created in Claude or ChatGPT and paste it into this box. Once everything is okay, click Generate. Sorry. If you encounter a problem like this when generating, it means your prompt contains prohibited elements such as copyright, etc. In my case, it contained the word Spider-Man. The solution is very easy. Just ask Claude or ChatGPT to regenerate the prompt by informing them that your prompt is blocked. Once done, copy and paste the prompt again, then click Generate. Wait for result. Runway is processing your video. There's a progress bar, so you can see how far along you are. And done? Guys, look at this. The movement is so smooth, isn't it? The photo that was previously still so cinematic. And look, the facial and background details are still sharp. To download, click the download icon in the right corner. The video will be saved directly to your computer. I highly recommend this Runway if you want truly professional results. But since free credits are limited, save them for important projects. To Hailuo AI. Okay, now my favorite tool. It's called Hailuo AI, and it's the easiest tool I've ever tried. Just go to hailuoai.com in your browser. The interface is really clean and super user-friendly. You can log in using Google or email. Quick and easy. Now, this is what makes Hailuo special. The interface is super simple, and you will get 100 free credits to generate. Okay, let's get started. In the AI Tools menu on the side, click the Video menu. Here, you can upload your photo and enter a prompt, just like in Runway ML. There are also several models you can use to generate video images. There are also other settings, such as video size, but this feature is only accessible to premium accounts. There are also camera controls. There are several camera options available here, but I chose not to use them because I already created a prompt. Okay, upload your photo in this box. Then copy the prompt created by Claude or ChatGPT and paste it here. If you think it's suitable, just click Generate. Okay, let's wait for the results. You need to know, Hailuo is usually faster if you generate during quiet hours, like morning or evening. There will be a notification or animation when your video is ready. And here are the results from Hailuo, my friends. Let's take a look. Wow guys, check this out. The camera movement is really smooth. To download it is super easy. Just click the download button below the video. The video goes straight to your downloads folder. Oh yeah, Hailuo also saves your project history. So if you want to download it again later, just open the history. Honestly guys, Hailuo is the tool I recommend most for beginners. The interface is very simple, the process is fast, the results are great, and it's free. Kling AI. The last tools is Kling AI. This is a tool from China that's really popular right now. Go to klingai.com. The homepage is futuristic and modern. You can register using your email or phone number. For the free tier, Kling gives you daily credits that refresh every day. So even though it's free, you can use it consistently. Click the video menu on the left. Similar to Hailuo, the interface is very neat and there are several settings you can use. Just upload your prepared photo. Then copy the prompt and paste it here. I'll leave the settings as they are, so I'll just click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, now that the results are out, let's compare the results from the three tools. Okay, friends, before we close, here are some pro tips to take your AI video results to the next level. Always use high resolution, sharp photos. Blurry photos will produce blurry results, while well-composed photos will produce more cinematic results. Don't be afraid to experiment. Generate multiple versions with different settings. Sometimes the unexpected ones are the coolest. If you want a more advanced AI tutorial or want me to review specific tools, let me know in the comments. Your requests will determine my next video. Alright guys, that's it for today. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.